back to the new class. In the last class we have started our second chapter when lines join. That day we had discussed about what straight lines, tangent lines and a quadrilateral. Do you know what is quadrilateral? How many sides are make a quadrilateral? Do you know that? Yes. What is the quadrilateral? Means four sides. Okay, some figures are given here. It is not our class now. Okay, some figures are polygons. So already told you that geometrical figures are made of lines. The geometrical figures are made of lines are named according to the number of sides. How to name the geometrical figures? According to the number of sides. Understood? We already studied 4 sides what are quadrilateral. The figures have 4 sides. That figures is called what are quadrilateral. Do you remember? Same as we are studying now so many figures. Okay. Then what is the geometrical figures made of lines named according to the number of sides. Those with 4 sides. Those with 4 sides that are called quadrilateral. The figures have 4 sides. That figures is called what? Quadrilateral. I already studied the last class. Then next, those with 5 sides. Count these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those with 5 sides are called pentagon. How to read this? P-E-N-T-A-G-O-N. What is this? Pentagon. Pentagon has how many sides? 5 sides. Okay, how to name it? Naming the figures according to the number of sides. 4 sides are called quadrilateral. Then the geometrical figures as the 5 sides. These figures are called pentagon. 5 sides are called, those with 5 sides are called pentagon. Understood? Next, those have a 6 side. Those with 6 sides are called hexagon. You count these sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many sides? 6 sides. But those with, then listen, those with 6 sides are called hexagon. H-E-X-A-G-O-N. Hexagon. Okay. Then those with 7 sides. Count the sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those with 7 sides are called septagon. Okay. Then those with 4 sides are called quadrilateral. 5 sides are called pentagon. Those with 6 sides are called hexagon. Those with 7 sides are called septagon. Those with 8 sides, count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many sides? 8 sides. These geometrical figures are 8 sides. These figures is called octagon. Understood? So, those with 7 sides septagon, those with 8 sides octagon. Then so many figures, we have studied the so many figures. Understood all? So, you should study these all names. Okay, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, septagon, octagon. You should study these all figures and names. Okay, understood all. Now we are going to study the set squares. All of you have a geometry box. Did you see this? Geometrical. This is 2 devices. What is this? This is the set square. What is this? This is the set square. The 2 types of set square is here. One is the small, one is the big. Okay, you open your geometrical box and take that 2 devices, set squares. The 2 set squares, we have 2 set squares. Then when we using these set squares, we make the square or rectangles. Some other the quadrilateral figures. Using these set squares. Okay, using these set squares, we make the rectangle or square. How to make the rectangle or squares using these rectangles? Do you know? Then let us see. Listen, Then using this set square, first of all we are drawing the straight line. When drawing a straight line. Okay, this is a big one. It's a straight line. Then you are marking the side, left side 1 point and right side 1 point. Okay, then using this set square, and this is what a vertex of this set square. This is a corner. Corner. How many corner of this? How many edges of this set square? 3 edges. 1, 2, 3. How many edges of the set square? 3 set square. What is 3 set square? 1, 2, 3. This also how many edges? This also how many edges? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then using these set square, how to draw a square or rectangle? Then 1, 2 points are marked here, small points. Then take the right end. This is the left end. This is the right end. Understood? Then the set square, the edge. Then these edge, put it on here. Then draw. How many centimeter we draw the straight up? We want to draw a straight line up. How many? We are drawing 10 centimeter here. These are the 10 centimeter. Okay, remove the set square. Okay, first of all we draw a line, then mark the right side 1 small dots and left side also small. How to draw a line? Straight up. Then like this. Put the vertex on the point and draw a 10 centimeter long. Understood? Again, how to draw this? This is the right side. So, don't put like this. How to put it the set square? You dotted line. Some dotted lines are given here. So, put like this. Understood how to put the right side of the set square. Now, put the right side set square, put the right side like this. So, we marking how many centimeter? Also 10 centimeter. Also 10 centimeter. Okay, then you joining these 2 points. Joining these 2 points like this. We make butter. We make one rectangle. Understood? Then take your set squares and do this. You draw one square or rectangles like this. Okay, first draw one straight line, then put a small dots right side and left side. Then in the left side the set square put like this. Then draw the 10 centimeter straight line. Again put the set square like this and again draw the 10 centimeter. Then after this, then joining these 2 lines. This is what this is a rectangle. This is a complete figure. The 4 sides are straight line. Understood how to draw a set square. Then next how to draw a square using the set square. Then draw the straight line. Draw the straight line like this. Then you are doing 1 lines, 1 dotted lines. Right side and left side are putting 2 small dotted lines. Then put it here, the set square, draw the 10 centimeter. Again here, do the 10 centimeter. Then joining these 2 lines. What is this? This is also square. Understood how to use the set square and how to make the rectangle and square. Understood? Understood all? Okay children, now you take your set squares and try this. Okay children. So next we will discussing about some problems. How to make a quadrilateral figures using the set square. Next we will discuss how to draw the quadrilateral figures using the set square. Okay, now let us see the problems. The first problem, draw a line 6 cm long from the left end point. Draw upright line 3 cm up. From the right end point, draw on upright line 4 centimeters high. Join the top end of these lines. Using the set square, how to draw the lines? First of all, draw a 6 centimeter line. Then using the set square, we are drawing the 6 centimeter line. 6 centimeter. Draw the 6 centimeter line and mark 2 points. Mark these 2 points. This is the left end, this is the right end. Understood? This is the left end, this is the right end. Then from the left end point, draw upright line 3 centimeters high. How many centimeter? 3 centimeter. Use this set square and put it here and draw 3 centimeter high. Okay. Okay, next what? From the right end point, draw upright line 4 centimeters high. The left end is the 3 centimeter, right end at the 4 centimeter. Then using put the set square like this and 4 centimeter high. Okay. Then what is next? Join the top ends of this line. Join the top ends. This is join the top ends. Join the top ends. These are the figures. How to draw one quadrilateral figure? First of all, you are drawing 6 centimeters long. Then the left end point, draw upright line 3 centimeter. This is what? 3 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. Understood all? Then right end, draw upright line 4 centimeters high. Then we are doing 4 centimeters. Joining the top end of this, joining the top end points. Though these are one quadrilateral, these are the 4 sides. Okay, understood children how to draw a quadrilateral with use your set square. How to put the set square, you know? At the left side like this, the right side like this. Okay, understood. So these are the one problem is done. If you have any doubt, you ask me our class time. Okay children, then let's wind up the class, today's class. So we will meet in the next class. Then we will catch up later. Bye.